Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sadie Sewell, and I'm going to start out by asking a question. What is something that you probably do all the time, at least 3 times a day on your phone, that you for some reason cannot do on your computer? Screenshotting. Screenshotting on your computer is a pain in the butt, and it's hard to remember how to do it. So I just wanted to make a fun, easy video to show you guys how to do it. In case you want to share something, put a whole web page or something in like a PowerPoint presentation or whatever you want to do with it. It's pretty simple. To demonstrate this for you, I pulled up a wiki of Gandalf, because who doesn't love Gandalf in Lord of the Rings? So first you'll find the control button on your keyboard. It is the bottom left corner. You'll hold down on that, and then you'll find the print screen. It might be PRT-C or SC. That's probably what it's going to say on your button, and it is right after the F12 button. So you'll be holding down the control button, you'll hit print screen, it's going to be there. Then from here, you will pull up your Paint. You know, that app we all played with as kids. It'll be new, and then you'll hit the control button again, and then hit V. There it is, your whole screenshot of your computer, whatever you want it to be. And then if you want to attach it somewhere, you can go ahead and save it. I'm saving it as an image. I'm going to save it onto my desktop just so it's easy for you guys to see. I'm just going to entitle it Gandalf 1, 2, 3. Do not want to rate it right now. Then if you wanted to compose an email, I'm just going to send to my friend Justin, titling it Gandalf. You'd hit this little, I don't know if you can see that right now. You'd hit this little attach button, go to my desktop where I saved it, and there it is. That's how you, oops, I misspelled Gandalf, but that is how you screenshot it and send it if you want to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.